Hi guys, welcome to another episode, and we're going to talk about investing for dummies, or investing for, or rather, the right way of or way of saying it would be investing for beginners. I would say, this is me about about a year ago. I was a beginner. I was a dummy. I was very afraid of getting into stock investing or any other type. The moment I hear the word investing, it got me scared. But that was me a year ago, and luckily I got partnered up with my friend on the other side, who's an expert in investing. So without further ado, I'm gonna leave the world, or leave the door open for my friend on the other side, Venkat. Venkat, you want to share these things real quick? This is gonna be a very quick video.
Yeah, exactly. Just the surface. We are going to touch the surface, guys, because you're a beginner. You don't know anything. You never invested. Like you said, I was also afraid of it. I don't know. I didn't know where to start. That's the main thing that I was afraid of. So here, four things, guys. Four things. If you don't have any kind of too much money, if you don't have too much money to invest, you can still invest. Like you can start with $100. So let's say you have $500 total, guys. Just $500 you saved up, but you wanted to grow that money, invest and grow that money, right? So take $100, put it in cryptocurrencies. So it's free to join. I think we have other videos. I'm gonna put it in the card above, YouTube card, so you can see the suggested video. Of those videos are separate videos that you can watch and see how to invest on the cryptos. You have to open up it takes like 10-15 minutes, and you have to get it approved and all those things. But once you do that, it's free for you to invest $100 on it. You can put $10, $50 into cryptocurrencies, different cryptocurrencies, and then take another $50, put it in different other altcoins, such maybe other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, the top two coins, right? We talked about that in another video, guys, so we are not going to touch that today. But basically, take $100, put it in cryptos, take another $100, take it to the individual stocks. So we talked about robo advisors like Webull, M1 Finance, mainly those two. So yeah, we have that. I think it's going to be up above, and I'm going to put that up above in the card, so you can watch that video, guys. So take that. It can be more than $100. I'm just giving you guys basic amount that you can start with. Put that in Webull. If you open Webull, you're going to get 4 free stocks too, if you use our link. So that could be worth up to $1,600. If you get lucky, you might get the higher amount of stock free. So it's free to open and free to do buy and sell all the individual stocks. So you can buy, we already suggested some of the companies in another video, that you could follow that video and then buy those those specific individual stocks for $100. You can do like fractional, right? You can take $10 on Amazon, $10 on Google, $10 on Apple, something like that, right? That's going to be another bucket. And then the third one would be index funds. So you can take $100 index fund, $100 into, put it in index funds. Maybe you can do 3 index funds, 4 index funds, based on what you need. There are multiple index funds. Like I would suggest the S&P 500 is the one that covers all the 500 companies in the US, top 500 companies. Everybody suggests that. And then there are other ones, like for real estate, there is one index funds. There is tech industry, there's another one. You could kind of mix and match those index funds. And the last one, I would say, it should be for your home. You have to invest on your real estate, right? So on the real estate, you do need to have kind of like a FHA loan. You can do 3.5% down payment, but there are USDA loans. USDA, you have to look for USDA approved housing, right? So for that, you don't need any money, 0%. But it had to be away from the cities, guys. It's not going to be close to the cities. So you can buy a house through USDA loan. You don't need to put any money on it. So just go ahead and do that. that kind of investment that doesn't cost you, but I'm just telling you guys, you can put some money to it at least to own the house. That's like another investment that you can do. If you just mix and match all these four different things, right, that is a starting point, guys, and then you can go from there. Just expand, from $100 to $1,000, $1,000 to 10,000, 5,000, however much you can save, and then put that in there.
And this episode is a great example to show that even with $100 you can invest, even less than 100,000, sorry, even less than $100 sometimes. Because one of the common complaints that, or common misconception, is like, I have only $100 to invest. Come on, yes, you can do that. So this episode is all about that. You can invest on whatever the money that you have. Thank you so much, Venkat. This, like we said at the outset, this is a quick video, and Venkat is going to put up some we suggested videos on top of this video, so you can actually go and dig more into each of these topics that he shared. So because of that, I'm not gonna add any more into what he said, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like we said, use the other suggested videos to dig deep and get a deep understanding on each of these topics. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, guys.